Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, daily chart, and what you see here is a lower band touch back on the 15th, last Wednesday. You saw that reject and then start to build through a series of matching lows, double bottoms, whatever you want to call them, a move back up to the upper, to the middle band, converting the middle band, converting the 9-day simple moving average, and then up to new all-time highs. We finally printed something with a 26 on it. We engaged the upper band again this morning. So we are now officially in an upper Bollinger Band ride. So, one of the reasons I've been saying don't fight price, don't fight price, don't fight price is one of the nastiest situations you can find yourself in if you're fighting price is a lower Bollinger Band touch that rejects, slowly builds momentum, and then rips to the upper band. Lots of people fight that one because we were just at the lower band. People want that short that's going to run forever. It was so close they could taste it, and so they fight and fight and fight and fight, and all of a sudden you find yourself new all-time highs, something with a 26 in an upper band ride. That's nasty, nasty stuff. So I was saying to my members a few minutes ago, one of the things I'm proudest of is that we haven't shorted this week. We did two little baby shorts that got like two handles and then got stopped out. Other than that, we have been long with the trend. I warned anybody that was short over at my place Sunday night when we hit that 67.75 that look, this is Christmas morning for you. If you've been fighting price, you need to cut your losses here. That was 30 handles ago. Hard to believe. It was 30 handles ago. It's been a straight up week, but it's a holiday week, and you would expect that. So what are we looking at for today? All right, hourly chart. We're compressed for a move. Could you get a head fake down to a move up? Absolutely. I mean, we are sitting at all-time highs. I would love to see a little bit of a migration back towards the 94.5 area, the area of the old all-time high, which is pretty typical. You've got the daily pivot coming in, right around 92. So having an actual dip to buy this morning would be nice. Remember, we didn't have that yesterday. We had about 2 seconds to make a decision at 9:30 in the morning, and then either you chased it by 9:35 or you probably missed the move. It was a situation where you had the open here. I ended up getting in. The open was at 91.25. You had a quick dip to 89.25. We got in at 91.5, and it's like, look, you either did that or you got to get out of the way. It was very similar to the 77.5 that we did on Monday. So, they've been walking it up overnight. Not so much tonight. Things are slowing down a little bit, and I think you're seeing some fatigue and you're seeing things thin out for the holiday. Absolutely. I mean, yesterday afternoon was completely dead. So the other big piece of advice I would give to people going into today is don't overtrade. Don't try to create excitement where there's none. When you try to create personal excitement in the market, it tends to only be exciting for you, and it tends to not end very well. So this is not the day to take 18 trades. This is not the day to make your broker a hero. There may be one or two decent setups. If it sets up on your stuff, take them. But look to make your number. For us, it's 4 handles. Look to make your number, and then go enjoy the holiday. Go enjoy the holiday. It's Thanksgiving tomorrow. Go enjoy the holiday. So it's going to be dead tomorrow. There'll be no webcast tomorrow, obviously. We'll be back on Friday. But don't overtrade the day before Thanksgiving. It's not worth it. Yes, the market is open all day. Doesn't mean you have to be hyper trading all day. So on a move higher, you got 2600 half. The third standard deviation upper band is up around 2607, 2608. I don't know. I mean, it's what's next, but I don't know if we have the fuel to do that. They may do that while nobody's watching over the next couple of days. If we start to progress downward, you have to look at yesterday's Globex low, area down around 78, 79. And as we head into Friday, the bulls will have their work cut out for them because they're going to have to try to preserve an upper band ride when, basically nobody's looking. So like I said, I'll be watching Daily Pivot. Weekly Pivot is a distant memory. So watch the round number on the upside and 2607, 94, 92, 79 on the down. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic Thanksgiving. We all have so much to be thankful for. Enjoy the time with your family. I will be back Friday with another webcast. The webinar went very well last night. I sent out the recording. The recording is up on the website. I also sent out the trade entry video, and that's been posted, kind of outlining how we use our new 1-minute chart to find entries. It's been a real knowledge gap closer in our room that's been able to lift everybody up and get everybody's performance in a much more closely in tune to what we really want to have happen. So if you haven't had a chance to check that out over the long weekend. That'll be up on Twitter. It'll be up on Instagram. Take care. Happy Thanksgiving. Trade 'em well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.